Question number 17, Bundle 8, Module 2. A certain township consists of a 5-hectare industrial park. Let's mark the key points side by side of the question, right? So, 5-hectare is industrial park. Perfect. 24-hectare is neighborhood. Okay. Total number of trees in the township is 4,529. So the whole township is of industrial park and neighborhood, right? And number of trees there is 4,529. Okay. The equation 5x plus 24y is equal to 4,529. Now, if I compare the given equation with this given data with this equation, so this is about total number of trees, right? 4,529 is total number of trees, which is here. That means we are talking about trees. And this one is land and this one is also land. 5 hectare and 24 hectare. Okay. That means X and Y is about trees. So to do this question, let's see a wonderful, interesting, tasty example first. Suppose you have to buy 5 chocolates. $5 is the cost of one chocolates, and you have to buy 10 chocolates, right? So this is cost, and this is number of chocolates you have to buy. If you multiply them, total cost is $50, right? Similarly, if you see this example, 5x, so 5 is the hectare land and x is cost, number of trees per hectare. This is cost of one chocolate. This is number of chocolates. This is industrial park, and this is number of trees per hectare. So x here is number of trees per hectare, and 5x is the total number of trees in the industrial park. Now let's see the options. The average number of trees per hectare in the industrial park. Yes, this seems to be correct. The average number of trees per hectare in the neighborhood. No. Neighborhood is actually 24 hectare. So that is related to Y, not related to X. So wherever we have neighborhood, just delete that part. Total number of trees in the industrial park is 5x, not X. So X is the average number of trees per hectare in the industrial park. I hope you have understood every single word in the question, right? Okay. This is a very good question. Question number 18. Which expression is equivalent to a raised to power 11 by 12? Now, if I just see this one, how we express it, because I can see square root sign in all the options. So how we express it, suppose I have square root of, let's say 5, and inside the V sign, I have 3. So I can write it as 5 raised to power 1 by 3. This is how these are related. Now, if I just want to write this one, so that will be inside the square root sign, there should be the denominator part, 12, 11, right? But if I see the options, yes, 12 is here, but here it is 132, not 11, okay. Here it is 144, which seems to be the square of 12, not 12. So it is giving us somewhat of the hint. Now if I see 121, that is square of 11, but here 11 is a raised to power 11. So this is not the option. 11 cannot be here. This is not the option. Now B is the only option, you can guess, but how? It's 144, we have 12. So let's try another way, let's make it 144. How? Multiplying by 12. But if you are multiplying the denominator by 12, you have to multiply it with numerator 2. So how will this work now? A raised to power 132 over 144. Now we get it. So whatever is in the denominator, that will be inside the V sign, and a raised to power 132. So B is the right option. Proper, very good, wonderful question.